What I wanted to show you is how we measure the speed of a green. I'm going to do a before and after stimp reading for you. I'm doing this reading without the infill and rolling process on the putting green. So what I've got here is a typical Stimpmeter, 3 balls and a tape measure. I'm just going to put the ball in the little trough and raise this up until the ball starts to roll, and then I'll stop the bar from raising. You do 3 readings, and then you measure how far the ball rolls. And again, this is before we have infilled or rolled the putting green at all. So it's definitely a little bit choppy and not anywhere near as fast as it will be when we're done. But I wanted to give you a before and after reading so you see what a drastic change it is. So I did 3 for consistency, and you see all 3 landed pretty tight. So just for a quick reading, you measure from the balls to the end of the Stimpmeter. For an average, you're about 7.9 on the Stimpmeter, which is a very average speed. What we're going to shoot for here is somewhere between a 9 and a 10 for this customer, which is the typical putting green speed for most country clubs and golf courses around the Ponte Vedra, Florida area. So stay tuned for the next one, and the putting green will be completely done, and you'll see a little bit of a faster reading on that one.